In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make text into lines in AutoCAD. Turning text into geometry is a handy trick when you need outlines for CNC, laser cutting, engraving, or when you want to share a drawing without relying on installed fonts. It also lets you use text purely as vector shapes that follow your layers, colors, and plotting styles. The process is short and simple, and it uses a built-in Express Tools command called TXT. Start by selecting the text you want to convert. You can click individual pieces of text or drag a window to grab several at once. This works with single-line text and multi-line text, and even attributes in many cases. Make sure you're actually selecting the text object itself and not something inside a locked layer or an external reference, because the command can only act on objects you directly select. If your drawing is busy, zoom in a bit so you can see your selection clearly and confirm it in the properties or on the command line. With your text selected, go to the command line, type TXTEXP, and press Enter. That's the entire command. As soon as you run it, AutoCAD converts the selected text into vector geometry, typically polylines that trace the shape of each character. You'll notice that each letter is now made of lines and curves you can edit with standard drafting tools. The new geometry will keep the color and layer of the original text, so it stays consistent with your drawing's organization. A couple of things to keep in mind after the conversion. First, the objects are no longer text, so you can't edit the wording, font, or size with text tools. If you think you might need to change the wording later, remember to keep an editable copy of the original text elsewhere in the drawing before moving forward. Second, depending on the font and the amount of text, the resulting outlines can be quite detailed, which may increase file size and make panning or plotting a bit heavier than before. That's normal because you now have pure vector outlines instead of a font reference. Finally, if you type TXTEXP and AutoCAD doesn't recognize the command, it usually means the Express Tools feature isn't available in your setup, and that's all there is to it. Select your text, run TXTEXP, press Enter, and your characters instantly become clean, editable lines and curves. It's a fast, reliable way to get precise vector outlines from any text right inside AutoCAD.